Hi, good afternoon dear students. Welcome to mathematics class, chapter 11, measurement of capacity. Yesterday we were started this chapter and हम पढ़ाएंगे 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter and how to convert milliliter into liters and how to convert liters into milliliters. हम पढ़ाएंगे and we were started exercise 11.1. And I have given some homeworks also. I hope you all done. So students, let us do question number 2 today. Question number 2 is in exercise 11.1. Question number 2 is, what is question number 2 here? Convert into milliliter. Convert into milliliter. You all know ml stands for milliliter. Convert it to milliliters. Okay, here question number 1 is 3 liters. We have to convert 3 liters into milliliters. So let us convert. How to convert 3 liters into milliliters? How to convert? So that 3 liters is equal to, you all know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 3 liter is 3 into 1000 milliliter. 3 into 1000 milliliter. That is equal to 3 into 1000. What is 3 into 1000? That is 3000 milliliter. So 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. Okay. So next question is question number 2, 5 liters. Question number 2 is 5 liters. We have to convert 5 liters into milliliters. Okay, let us convert 5 liters. How to convert 5 liter into milliliter? 5 liter is equal to 5 into, yes right, 1000 ml. That is equal to 5 into 1000 ml. What is 5 into 1000? That is 5000 ml. Understood? So 5 liter is 5000 milliliters. Understood? Okay, this is how convert into milliliters. This is how we have to convert liters into milliliters. Understood? Okay. Here some more question is there. Question number 3, 4. These two questions are homework. Do this. Okay. Right now I am going to do question number 5 and this all remaining questions also homework. Got it? Okay. Question number 5. 4 liters 500 ml. Convert 4 liters 500 ml into milliliter. Question number 5. 4 liters 500 ml into milliliter. So let us check how to convert 4 liter 500 ml into milliliter. For this solution, 4 liter 500 ml is equal to 4 liter. As you all know, 4 liter is equal to 4 into 1000 ml plus 500 ml. ml is stands for milliliter. So what is 4 into 1000 ml? What is 4 into 1000 ml? That is 4000 ml. ml is stands for milliliter. See, 4000 ml plus 4000 ml plus 500 ml, that is equal to 4500 ml. 4500 ml. So students, 4 liters 500 milliliters is equal to 4500 milliliters. Understood? So students, here remaining questions. You can see here, these all remaining questions are homework. Please do this and send to me by WhatsApp. Okay, all of you turn your page number 116. Addition of liters and milliliters. Addition of liters and milliliters. Okay, next topic is addition of liters and milliliters. Students, you were studied in chapter 9, addition of length. And in chapter 10, you were studied addition of weight. And in this chapter, you are going to study addition of liters and milliliters. So, example number addition of liters and milliliters. Here, example number 1. Add 16 liter 350 ml and 25 liter 750 ml. Here first question is add 16 liter 350 ml and 25 liter 750 ml. So let us add this solution. Students, for adding these two capacities, we have to do first, we have to separate liters and milliliters. We have to separate liters and milliliters. So for that, we have to write or make a column for liters and make a column for milliliters. Understood? Make a column for liters. L stands for liters and ml stands for milliliters. So you have to make a column for liters and you have to make a column for milliliters. Then you have to write liters in liters column and milliliters in milliliter column. Here you can see clearly. First we are going to write 25 liter and 750 milliliter. Why? Because that is the bigger number here. 25 liters 750 milliliters. Okay, then we will write this capacity, that is 16 liters 350 milliliters. 16 liters 350 milliliters. Then addition. So we will add first milliliter column. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 is carried forward to the next column. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Again 1 is carried forward to the next. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 is carried forward to the next column. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is equal to 42 liter and 100 ml. Answer is 42 liter and 100 ml. Got it? Okay students, all of you take exercise 11.1, sorry 11.2. Question number 1 is add. There you can see, please read it. Okay, here exercise 11.2. First question is in liters column 14 and in milliliters column 530. Then next 50 and 380. So let us start from milliliter column. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 is carried forward to the next column. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Next 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer is 29 liters 910 milliliters. So next question, question number 2. First we have to add milliliter column. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 is carried forward to the next. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. 29 liters, 610 milliliters. Students, here remaining questions are homework. These 4 questions you have to do in textbook and in notebook also. Okay. Okay, there question number 2 you can see. Students, this is a word problem, so that is why you have to read the question carefully first, then afterwards you have to make words. इसलिए word हम use करना जरूरी है, compulsory है. So read the question carefully. और दिवाली festival, Meena bought 8 liters 500 ml of milk from one dairy and 3 liters 250 ml of milk from other dairy. How much total milk did she buy? This is a question. So what is the first sentence here? Meena bought milk from first dairy is equal to. Meena bought milk from first dairy is equal to. That is the first sentence. And what is the second sentence? Meena bought milk from second dairy is equal to. That is the second sentence. So here you can see first word is Meena bought milk from first dairy. This is the first sentence. कितना मिल्क मीना फर्स्ट डेयरी से लाया है? बोलो 8 liters 500 ml. इसने कितना लाया? 8 liters 500 milliliters of milk लाया है. और मीना सेकेंड डेयरी में से कितना लाया है? 3 liters and 250 ml. ओके, इसके बाद क्या है? टोटल मिल्क डिड सी बाय. कितना आया है? 8 liters 500 ml plus 3 liters 250 ml. For that we have to do addition. Before that we have to write the liters column and then milliliters column. Then in liters column 8 and 500 in milliliter column, then plus 3 250. Add milliliter column first. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. So total 11 liters 750 milliliters milk she bought. Total. So मैं कितना लीटर इसमें लाया है? टोटल 11 liters 750 milliliters milk लाया है टोटल. Understood? Okay, students. Let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.